This is a camera angle and sound test video. Hopefully that angle is good enough. I'm just going to rearrange some things and see how it picks up on the camera. Okay, I'm just going to apply some stickers onto my tungsten carving knife. Just bought this one. See how it picks up on the camera. That's pretty crappy. I'm going to rearrange it. Oh damn. It's not as straight as I want it to be, but works fine. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, put everything back to the box. Here's one more. Maybe I meant to add the yellow one to the other side as well. I'll just see. No, it's pretty ugly. I'll just keep it off for now. Just put this back in the box. Okay. I need to clean my table at some point, and then it'll be all ready to go. But for now, this is just a test video. Testing, 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 testing. You can still hear me from here? Cool. See if the box fits under the camera or if it's high enough to see everything. Okay, I'll end it there.